So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of the display of your laptop flickering too much. Now, in order to fix that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager. Now here, simply click on display adapters, and here you'll find multiple adapters for you. Just in my case, it's NVIDIA as well as AMD because I have two different graphic drivers on my system. Now here simply update both of them and make sure that both of them are updated to the latest version. Just simply click over there and hit on this option of search automatically for updates. It shows the best driver is installed. Again, go for the second one, hit update, search automatically, it shows best driver installed. Now just simply restart your system and you'll notice that the issue will definitely be solved for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.